Okay. So on a 2007 ProLine, we want to start the generator or the inverter. So first we're going to turn on the Xantrex. Let it turn on. Turn on the inverter switch. I'm going to turn the blower on just to get air circulating. So we got 120 volts. Turn the air conditioner on. Let's go ahead and open it up. Open up the valve. So we got 13.6 volts. Let's go ahead and turn it on. That's a soft start kicking in. Make sure it's set pretty low. Alright, let's go take a look in here. So this is where the Xantrex sits. That's the Victron shunt. I'll show that in a minute. This is the T-fuse. And I've got the blower on, but this is separate. This is the old generator switch. And I've wired this blower fan down here. So now that's blowing air out of that. Intake comes out. What I want to show that's making all of this work for the AC is there's a soft start down in there, and that is what allows this. This is a 16K BTU marine air AC unit, and I can run it for 6 hours in the South Carolina heat. This is the easy start Bluetooth app, and it just tells me how many amps it's pulling. But that thing right there is what helped me figure out the problem of why this AC kept cutting out in the middle of the summer. Let me see if I can get a better light on that. But that allowed me to run this AC six hours in the South Carolina heat. This unit right here on this Relion. See, this is the shunt, and it's telling me how much time we can run this. So, but I think that's it. I've got a fan going into the inverter. I've got the blower going. It's pulling on a Relion 300 amp hour battery. And what's really making this thing last as long as it does is that soft start on that system.